Lot of students of studentfarmayish, they are super excited, and why not? Because IBPS calendar is already published in the official website. I think 2 to 3 doubts are clarified as of now. The first doubt being whether CET examination will be there or not. So CET examination is not going to happen in the year 2020. On 8th Jan 2020, I mentioned in one of my videos declaring that the expected date of IBPS calendar 2020 is on 16th Jan 2020. So it got delayed by 1 day, no issue on that. That is not the need of the hour, and that is not the big thing for which I am making a video, because dates are pre-decided. You know that on 15th of August you're going to celebrate Independence Day. You know that on 26th of January you're going to celebrate Republic Day. You know that your birthday is going to come this year. You know that my birthday is going to come this year. So certain things are there which are already pre-decided, right? So we shall not be that super excited. Yes, we should take it as a challenge that this year also plenty of vacancies will be coming. We need to be prepared for that. But let me ask you a very simple question. Do you know if you get selected in IBPS RRB, you're going to sit in the bank, I think, on March 2021. If you get selected in IBPS P or IBPS Clerk, the final result will be declared on April. So you may be probably sitting in the bank on September or July 2021. That means you are going to take more than 1 year to sit in the bank. But let me tell you one thing. SBI Clerk is already out, right? You know that you have already filled the online application for SBI Clerk. If you get selected in SBI Clerk, you are going to sit in the bank in September 2020. That means after 4 or 5 months, you will be there in a bank. So why to wait for 1 year? Why shall not we crack SBI Clerk and get our selection done? So that is the thing for which I made a video. Yes, it's an opportunity, but it's a later opportunity. Let us avail the opportunity which SBI Clerk has already given to us. Let us give 1000% for this examination, get the selection done, sit in the bank on September 2020. So I think that is a big thing that you should think always. So anyways, if you want to purchase our yearly test series, you can purchase it. The link for the same is given in the description column. Purchase it, and we are not going to leave you alone after that. Okay, we will add you in a private Telegram study where you will be given necessary targets, not unnecessary targets. Why necessary? Because we are not giving targets like 5000 simplification questions, rubbish, right? We give targets which are relevant. See, already those who have enrolled this yearly package are availing the benefits. Where are you here? Come and be a member of our private Telegram study. Purchase it, and yes, if you want to purchase through our PayPal account, you will get 100% cashback for the same. If you are new to PayPal, then you can use that cashback for other online orders, and you can do. I think all these things you are already aware of that. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. I am in a place where I cannot say now, where I cannot reveal now, but in the coming days you will get to see me taking live classes. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Shabba kid. अपने शेयर का बिल्कुल ध्यान रखिएगा. Take care. Bye bye.